All right, today I am in a Dodge Challenger and I'm going to demonstrate how to engage the parking brake in this Dodge Challenger. It has a foot parking brake that is engaged and I'm going to do that. All right, but before I get started with this, can you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. I'll appreciate it. All right, so with that being said, I'm inside of my Dodge Challenger. And in order to apply the parking brake in this vehicle, it's right down there. And it's kind of self-explanatory, but let me go ahead and go over it. So vehicle is currently in park, okay? And vehicle's currently in park. And what I do is I'm gonna come down here. I always put my foot on the regular brake while I'm doing anything. So I put it on there, and this says push on, and then there's off by it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot and I'm going to push it all the way in until I can't go anymore. It's all the way down there like that, and the parking brake is on. And one way you can tell is by the brake sign right there. It shows brake. Now to release it, my vehicle's still in park. All right, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to press on this, and when I press on it, I'm going to let it come all the way up. So I'm going to press on it, let it come all the way up. The parking brake is off, and one way to find out that it is off is you no longer see the brake sign on the instrument panel. All right, so that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.